हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हाउ आर यू ऑल? वेलकम टू कीर्तिस नोटबुक। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसको लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा। टुडे वी विल लर्न jumbled sentences, how to rearrange jumbled sentences. So let's get started. First, soccer, he plays his friends with. We will rearrange this sentence as he plays soccer with his friends. Second, for us, cooks dinner she. The rearrangement will be she cooks dinner for us. Third, shoes I wear comfortable. We will make a line with I wear comfortable shoes. Fourth, often go we library to the. We will make a line with we often go to the library. Number 5, sandwiches for breakfast eat they. The simple line will be they eat sandwiches for breakfast. Sixth, of leather the jacket was made. The right answer is the jacket was made of leather. Sipped some water, the sparrow. The answer is the sparrow sipped some water. Eight, a beautiful I will for myself buy gown. I will buy a beautiful gown for myself. Nine, in the city many gardens there are. Answer is there are many gardens in the city. 10th, has given us our cow milk today. We will write our cow has given us milk today. Thank you friends. Please like, share and subscribe the channel if you like the video.